What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Spring is upon us here in Denmark, beautiful country of Denmark here. I just wanted to make a short video since just a week ago we had 15 minus degrees here, and now it's 15 plus. It's truly amazing, and of course soon we're gonna ride the Vmax, and I thought I just wanted to take her outside and let her smell the nice air we have here. And it's truly amazing. The sun is out and it's warm and very, very nice. So I'm gonna warm her up just one more last time before it's actually ride time. So let's go inside and see if she wants to fire up. Come on, guys, come on. Yeah, come on. Here she is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Alright, if some of you may have followed me here sooner, you might notice that the old seat is still on it. Because we had a little bit of a problem with it. I've had one of my friends made a new seat for me. It's right over here. I can take it out here. Come on. Oh, yeah, it's quite a mess in here. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is. Brand new seat here. I had this new upholstery made here, but there was a problem with the backrest here, that the stitching didn't line up. So the guy who made it said, no problem, just send it back and I'll have it fixed. And I really hope it gets back in time for the season to start. It depends on whether we're gonna get some rain now. So we can have all the salt and dirt washed away from the ground, from the roads. It's called, not the ground. Shit. So when it's washed away, then we can ride. Before, I don't ride because all that fine polished aluminum with the road salt, it's not good. Not good. All right, let's see if we can bring her back to life. The old girl here. Oh, this is gonna be good. Got the key right here. Yoo-hoo! Oh man, I want to ride her so bad I want to ride her, but it's gonna have to wait. Well, let's take her out in the sun and let her smell the spring. Holy crap. I can't wait. Oh, no. You can't hear anything, can you? She's too loud. She's just like a woman. very passionate, very loud. But we like it that way, don't we? I think I'm gonna take her just outside my road here. No salt on that road, and it's all very dry, very dry. Just a peek on the road. Just a small peek. Please, I want. That felt so good. Oh, that felt so good. This is gonna be really nice. Oh man, I can't wait till spring. Oh, I want to ride it so bad. So bad, but can't do. Too much salt on the road. Don't want to fuck it up. Can't say fuck up. Ooh. No. Can't say that. Not on YouTube. That was it, guys. Hopefully last warm-up before ride season starts. I hope I'm gonna get the seat back in time. Otherwise I'm just gonna go with as is, but can't do anything about it. Just have to wait. The seats are made in Thailand. My friend has a connection there, and they do excellent work. No shit about it. Excellent work, but there was just this small problem with the stitching. We're gonna get it fixed. Don't worry about it. She's so beautiful. Alright, I have a few things I have to do on her before season starts. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I appreciate it if you leave a comment in the section below, and hit the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. I will be most happy for it. And nothing else to say, but have a nice day and thanks for watching.